Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I hope you're doing well and waiting for the next class to begin. I think I can call it a class because even though it's very brief, it still is a class. And what a great idea if we have classes as brief and small as these. All kids would like to join them simply because of the briefness, brevity, smallness of its duration. Anyway, today I will start from verse 55 of Surah Al Baqarah and hope to do 3 verses. Don't be discouraged. These verses are brief, inshallah. So we'll do it in very small time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ قلتم يا موسى لن نؤمن لك حتى نرى الله جهرة فأخذتكم الصاعقة وأنتم تنظرون ثم بعثناكم من بعد موتكم لعلكم تشكرون وظللنا عليكم الغمام وأنزلنا عليكم المن والسلوى كلوا من طيبات ما رزقناكم وما ظلمونا ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون صدق الله العظيم. Okay, so we start with the translation. We know already أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So I skipped that. What is and when? So it's an expression that has been repeated almost every second, third verse. You know it. And when? And recall when. Remind when. Remind them about the incident when. So any of these words can be inserted in the brackets. Wa'is and when qultum, you said, that is you, the children of Israel, Ya Musa, O Moses, lan nu'mina, we will not believe, laka, in you, that is in what you are saying, hatta, until, narallaha, we see God. Nara is we see, na'budu, we worship, nastainu, we seek help, nara, we see. Hatta narallaha, until we see God jahratan, right there in front, outright. That is, we see Him face to face. Fa'akhazat, so took over, you, what? As-saiqatu, thunderbolt. The thunderbolt of the clouds, it just caught you. فَأَخَذَتْكُمُ الصَّاعِقَةُ, so thunderbolt caught you. So أَخَذَت, caught, overcame, you, as-saiqa, thunderbolt. وَأَنْتُمْ, and you, tanzurun, were looking on. You were watching it. It just happened that it overcame you. ثُمَّ بَعْثْنَاكُمْ, then we revived you, brought back to life. We brought back to life, you. Ba'athna, na is we. Mim ba'di mautikum, mim ba'di, after, mautikum, your death. La'allakum, so that you, tashkurun, be grateful. Wazallalna, na, again na, wazallalna, and we shaded, alaykum, upon you, al-ghamama, clouds. That is, we gave you the cover of clouds that shaded you. وَظَلَّلْنَا عَلَيْكُمُ الْغَمَامَ, and we shaded upon you al-ghamama, clouds. وَأَنزَلْنَا, and we sent down alaykum, upon you, al-manna was salwa. Man and salwa. Man used to be small beads of, for their breakfast. They were, in the morning, the people of children of Israel would find that the dewdrops, they would actually freeze, solidify, and become their breakfast. They were delicious to eat. That was man. And salwa was, they were birds, quails, very easy to catch. They would not fly and very easy to cook. So God arranged for the children of Israel in the desert, in the desert, heat of the desert, there were cloud cover for them to feel good, cool. And then for the breakfast, there was man. For the evening supper, there was salwa, quail. Wow. You want them to? Kulu min tayyibati ma razaqnakum. Kulu, eat. Min tayyibat, from the pure food. Min tayyibat, from the pure things, good things. Ma, what? Razaqna, we have given as sustenance, as food, kum, to you. Kulu, eat, min tayyibat, from the pure, from the good. Ma, what? Razaqna, we have given you rizq, sustenance, food. We have given rizq, sustenance, food, kum, you. Wama zalamuna. Wama zalamu, they did not wrong na us. They didn't do any zulm. They didn't do any injustice to us. Walakin, instead, kanu, they were anfusahum, to their own souls, yazlimun, unfair. So they didn't do anything wrong to us. They did wrong to their own souls. Wama zalamuna, and they did not do any zulm, they were not being unfair na to us. Walakin, instead, kanu, they were anfusahum, to their own souls, yazlimun, doing zulm, were being unfair. Got it? The second time is going to be simple and quick. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wais qultum, and recall the time when you said, Ya Musa, O Musa, lan nu'mina, will not believe in you. Lan nu'mina, we shall not believe laka, in you, in what you're saying. Hatta, until narallah, we see God, jahratan, right in front, face to face. Fa'akhazatkum, then caught you as-sa'iqatu, thunderbolt. Fa'akhazatkum as-sa'iqatu, then thunderbolt caught you. I hope you know what is thunderbolt, what is caught, and which word is conveying you. Wantum, and you, tanzurun, were watching, looking on. Thumma, then, bathna, we revived kum, you, mim ba'di, after, mautikum, your death. La'allakum, so that you, tashkurun, be grateful. Wazallalna, and we shaded, alaykum, upon you, al-ghamama, clouds. We shaded upon you clouds, that is the shade of the clouds. Wanzalna, and we sent down alaykum, upon you, al-manna, man, the morning breakfast, was salwa, and salwa, the birds, quails. Kulu, eat, that is, the whole atmosphere was as if saying, eat, min tayyibat, from the pure ma, what? Razaqna, we have given food, we have given sustenance, kum, to you. Wama zalamuna. And now it's obviously what they did thereafter by being ungrateful. The Almighty is now commenting. Wama zalamuna, and they were not unfair to us. They did not do anything to harm us. وَمَا ظَلَمُوا, they did not harm us. Walakin, instead, kanu, they were anfusahum, unto themselves, to themselves, yazlimun, unfair. They were unfair to themselves. Okay, the last item, I'll read it again, and you will understand each and every word of it, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نُؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّى نَرَى اللَّهَ جَهْرَةً فَأَخَذَتْكُمُ الصَّاعِقَةُ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ ثُمَّ بَعَثْنَاكُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَوْتِكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ وَظَلَّلْنَا عَلَيْكُمُ الْغَمَامَ وَأَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْكُمُ الْمَنَّ وَالسَّلْوَىٰ كُلُوا مِنْ طَيِّبَاتِ مَا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ وَمَا ظَلَمُونَا وَلَكِنْ كَانُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Okay, I hope you understood it and you are following what we are studying well and you're enjoying it. Inshallah, I'll see you tomorrow again with a new set of verses, and I hope that you look forward to these sessions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.